I presented the first deliverable of one of Jan3 project teams. The major aim of this team is to investigate all emerging carrier class transport technology to give some recommendations to Jan3 project how to build properly a transport network to be able to build a very good revolutionary services for customers.
And why TNC are important or even necessary?
Well, it's quite an easy question because, as you know, to have some service for end users, like for students, for example, some IPTV maybe or something like that, we have to have a very flexible and good foundation, which is transport. So transport, transfer messages between. So it's quite challenging thing to have it simple, cheap, but at the same flexible and very good performance.
What are plans for future? How you are going to develop optional transport system?
It's mostly to Alberto because he's the leader of these activities.
I think, for example, I'm working for Nordunet, which is the Scandinavian. We provide it's a carrier network for the Scandinavian airlines, and we are looking into these technologies. And it depends a lot on your requirements, your legacy services, the kind of organization you are, and the experience of your operations and staff. So there's a lot of things to consider. But for example, for us, we are looking into MPLS-TP and then OTN as a transport technology, and then our MPLS-TP on the top of OTN, and then maybe building Ethernet services on top of the pyramid of technologies. So it's a combination, and we're still in a very early stage, and it could end up only being OTN and then IP on the top. So we're still investigating it. We don't know how it's going to end up.
Yeah, but in terms of our project, so the next step for us, it will be building some test bed, probably European-wide test bed, and which will connect national test beds, and to try this technology which we so far just investigated in some theoretical, more or less, way. So it will be a real practical trialing, and after that we will give some recommendations to the research community.